morning, dears. Today we are going to learn about the ascending order and descending order. Let's learn about the ascending order. Dears, what do you mean by ascending order? Ascending order means increasing order. We write the numbers the smallest to biggest. Let us see how to arrange the numbers in the ascending order. Ascending order. Example 1, 4278, 4875, 4923, 4717. First, we compare the digits at the thousands place or same in all the numbers. Next, we compare the digits at the hundreds place. Can you tell me which number is small in the hundredth place? Yes, very good. 2. So, the first number is 4278. Next, compare the remaining 3 numbers. Which is the smaller number in the hundredth place? Yes, very good. 7. So, the second number is 4717. Next, compare the remaining 2 numbers. Which is the smaller number in the hundredth place? Yes, very good. 8. So, the third number is 4875. And the number which is left? Yes, 4923. So, the last number is 4923. We use the symbol less than. We can read this sentence: 4278 less than 4717 less than 4875 less than 4923. Therefore, the ascending order is 4278, 4717, 4875, 4923. Example 2. 4096, 3096, 3099, 2473, 3172. First, we compare the number of thousands place. Can you tell me which number is small in the thousands place? Yes, 2. So, the first number is 2473. Let's see the remaining 4 numbers. Which is the smaller number in the thousands place? Yes, 3. But there are 3 threes in the thousands place. So, we will compare the numbers in hundreds place. Can you tell me which number is smaller in the hundreds place? Yes, 0. But there are 2 zeros in the hundreds place. So, let's compare the tens place as each number has 9 tens. Let's compare the ones place in each number. Dears, which is the smaller number in the ones place? Yes, 6. So, the second number is 3096. Dears, which is the next smaller number? Yes, very good. 3099. So the third number is 3099. Let's compare the thousands place in remaining two numbers. Dears, which is the smaller number? Yes, 3. So the fourth number is 3172. And the number which is left? Yes, 4096. So the last number is 4096. We use the symbol less than. We can read the sentence 2473 less than 3096 less than 3099 less than 3172 less than 4096. Therefore, the ascending order is 2473, 3096, 3099, 3172, 4096. Next, we learn about the descending order. Dears, what do you mean by descending order? Descending order means decreasing order. We write the numbers the biggest to smallest. Let us see how to arrange the numbers in descending order. Descending order. Example 1. 5234, 6271, 4234, 5172, 4871. First, we compare the numbers of thousands place. Can you tell me which number is big in the thousands place? Yes, 6. So, the first number is 6271. Let's see the remaining 4 numbers. Which is the bigger number in the thousands place? Yes, 5. But there are 2 5s in the thousands place. So, we compare the hundreds place as each number. Dears, which is the bigger number in the hundreds place? Yes, very good. 2. So, the second number is 5234. Let's see the remaining 3 numbers. Dears, which is the next bigger number? Yes, 5172. So, the third number is 5172. Let's see the remaining 2 numbers. Compare the thousands place as each number has 4. So, we compare the hundreds place. Dears, which number is bigger in the hundreds place? Yes, very good. 8. So, the fourth number is 4871. And the number which is left? Yes, 4234. So, the last number is 4234. We use the symbol greater than. We can read this sentence 6271 greater than 5234 greater than 5172 greater than 4871 greater than 4234. Therefore, the descending order is 6271, 5234, 5172, 4871, 4234. Example 2. 2785, 3605, 2782, 236, 9801. In the number 236 has no thousands place. So, we consider the thousands place as 0. First, we compare the number of thousands place. Can you tell me which number is big in the thousands place? Yes, 9. So, the first number is 9801. Next, we compare the remaining 4 numbers. Dears, which is the bigger number in the thousands place? Yes, 3. So, the second number is 3605. Next, compare the remaining 3 numbers. Dears, which is the bigger number in the thousands place? Yes, 2. But there are 2 2's in the thousands place. So, we compare the hundreds place as each number has 7. Again, we compare the tens place as each number has 8. So, finally, we compare the ones place. Dears, which number is bigger? Yes, very good. 5. So, the third number is 2785. Next, we compare the remaining 2 numbers. Dears, which is the bigger number in the thousands place? Yes, 2. So, the fourth number is 2782. And the number which is left? Yes, 236. So, the last number is 236. We use the symbol greater than. We can read this sentence: 9801 greater than 3605 greater than 2785 greater than 2782 greater than 236. Therefore, the descending order is 9801, 3605, 2785, 2782, Dears, I hope the concept of ascending order and descending order is clear to all of you. Now, you can do the homework related to it very easily. Exercise 2.2a, question number 1, write the following numbers in ascending order. Question number 2, write the following numbers in descending order. Thank you. We will meet in the next class.